Hi guys, gagamitin natin ngayon itong ating Bench Organics, the Sensory Spa. Yes po, ito po yung peppermint na linen spray. At alam nyo ba that this one is infused already with oil, kaya mas nagtatagal, mas solid yung kanyang amoy, mas nagtatagal yung kanyang amoy. And because that oil that being infused here, that eliminates the bad odor. And of course, it's nighttime already. Bago tayo matulog, kailangan mag-spray na tayo. So, para later on, pag matutulog na tayo, maaamoy na natin, marerelax tayo while sleeping. Ayan guys, para magkaroon tayo ng mas mabangong amoy inside our house, inside our bedroom, that will make us even more feel relaxed, ganyan. And of course, hindi lang yun mga madam ko, ang maganda po dito ay ma-freshen up niya yung amoy ng ating house, ng ating bedroom, kung sa bedroom nyo siya i-spray. This one guys is 220 ml already, and knowing that this one is bench, hindi tinipid ang mga ingredients here. Alam natin na ang bench guys, may pangalan na sila, so lahat ng mga materials nila, lahat ng mga ingredients nila, hindi tinitipid. And yes po, knowing that this one is bench already, pero napakamura lang po. Okay? Napakamura lang nito at napakalaki na po ng kanyang bottle. So, I'll try it. So, ganito natin siya i-spray guys. So, kailangan mo lang i-move yung lock. Ayan. You just have to, oh my gosh, that peppermint smell, the peppermint scent, oh my gosh guys, isa pa to sa, di ba ang mga bedrooms, hindi maiwasan yung mga ants, hindi ko alam kung saan sila nanggagaling. And kapag in-spray nyo nito ng peppermint yung bed ninyo with those ants there, magi-stop. Why? Hindi sila makakaamoy. Hindi sila makakahinga with the peppermint. That is proven. Kasi meron kaming peppermint na, tawag dito, oil lang, pero hindi siya linen spray. But I just tried it, and yes, hindi sila makaka-move. So that's why I called it, hindi sila makakahinga. Hindi na sila nakaka-move eh. So eto guys, okay, ayan, i-spray nyo lang siya sa inyong bedroom, sa mga linens ninyo. Okay, ayan. Bago kayo matulog, and you will right away smell the scent, the aroma of the peppermint, na napakabango niya guys, nakaka-relax talaga, para kang nasa loob ng spa room. Ganon kalakas at ganon kaganda yung amoy ng kanilang peppermint na linen spray. Kaya kung ako sa inyo, mag-check out kayo. Bench to guys, napakamura. Of course, we are from Bench. Ambassadress na tayo guys, so legit na bench ito.